Hello. So this is the start number 1 of the mini junk journals that are approximately 5x4s. And my sister helped me out by putting the little packs together for beginners or someone that wants to make their own junk journal and don't really have anything to do it with. So here's the fabric inside and out. It's a pinkish cover. And then she gave me this little packet. It has a lace. It has these flowers and buttons and paper clips and this thread helper, a needle, and 3 threads to go along with the 3 signatures, and which have 5 folded pages in each signature. And then I threw in these little, like this card, and these little random things that I had laying around that I'd done a while back, and they were just sitting there, so I put them in for someone having fun doing their own junk journal. And then I have these game cards. And Monopoly money. I have a puzzle that has its answers. Here is one picture out of one of my DigiKids. And a random page, book page. And I made this envelope a while back, and I put little punches and negative punches and stuff for fun, for your fun in it. Thank you. Bye.